Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, MrBee Handyman Specialist. Today I'm giving you a little tips on how to properly use your e-brakes. Because nowadays most people, they don't use e-brake, they just put it in park, shut off the motor and then leave. That's bad because you put a lot of stress onto the transmission. That's how most cars have transmission problems. So what you're supposed to do is, or usually what I do is, when I pull up to the driveway, I put it in neutral first before I put in the parking brake. Once I put in the parking brake, release the brake pedal, and then make sure the car doesn't roll back. Then you put it in park. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in reverse. Reverse the car. And before you put in the parking brake, before you put in into the park, put in neutral first, and then put the e-brakes on, and then release the brake pedal. Make sure the car doesn't roll back, and then put it in park. Now that's the proper way to do it, to save your transmission, to extend your transmission life, so you won't have any transmission problem in the future. Well, that's it you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Hopefully it's a good tip for you guys to help you prolong the life of your transmission. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, thank you for watching.